Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Phone Tech over here, and in this video I'm gonna be unboxing a Huawei P40 Pro. Sorry guys for being gone for so long. I really missed you guys. I'm gonna write some description about why I was gone, and for now guys, stay tuned for the video. So guys, that's a Huawei P40 Pro packaging here, as you can see. So it was ordered, so that's why it has some stickers and stuff. So gonna be now unpeeling it. As you can see guys, here it says explore it on App Gallery. Since they don't have the Play Store, they have the Apple Gallery, which Huawei claims that is better than the Play Store. We're gonna go through it and see how it goes. So you can see guys, that's the phone. Looks really good, really beautiful. Gonna take this off. Actually, you can slide it out, I guess. You can, but it's weird, so just gonna take this off. It's kind of strong glue, but the color here is amazing. You can see the camera looks really sick. That's the phone. Gonna boot it up immediately. It has some battery inside. You can see the SIM card slots down here. Charger slot, speakers. Power button is here, but it seems like it's dead. Anyway, doesn't matter. Gonna go through other things here. So the SIM ejecting tool. Looks nice here. And you have the manual and stuff inside. Here you have the fast charger. As you can see, it's really big. Nice fast charger. And you have the USB-C. And you have earphones. So that's pretty much everything you get in the package. But I'm just disappointed that the phone is dead. I'm gonna try to charge it a bit and boot it up. So guys, I plugged the phone in the charger and it was at 62%, 61%. So that's how the phone looks like. I don't know why it didn't boot up. So I'm just gonna go for get started. I'm gonna go for a region. I'm gonna go pick United States for now. And you see you have to just agree for everything. It says insert SIM card. I'll skip this for now. I'm gonna go from internet. Just gonna set up internet and come back. So I connected to Wi-Fi. I'm gonna hit next. Data privacy, next. And here's just telling me to create a Huawei ID here. So I have to do it in order to log into the phone. So this is done too. Gonna hit more. And gonna go for setting the fingerprint. So first of all, I have to put a code. I'm just gonna put 6 zeros for now. I'm gonna change it later. So add fingerprint. It really feels nice. The feedback I'm getting feels really good. Oh, and now I have to do the outer part of the finger, the thumb. Gonna hit OK. And now other options, set face recognition. I'm gonna try this too, or yeah. As you can see here, it says set up face recognition. Gonna go for it, just for my face here. You can still see though. So I didn't really have to move my head, but it worked. So I'm just gonna enable services, use experience improvement program. I'm gonna hit join, share analytics, enable, Huawei location service, and just enable as well. Keep your software up to date, enable and continue. That's gonna like make your phone automatically update overnight. I'm just gonna do it, it's better. I mean, at least I like it. And just now I have the option to move data from another device, restore from Huawei Cloud, and set up a new phone. I'm gonna set up apps for a new phone for now, and try gestures. And but the phone really feels so beautiful here. I'm trying the same thing they're telling me, it's not working. Swipe inwards from the left edge. Alright, so it worked. Also, I have to really go from the edge. Nice. So beautiful. It has an edge screen, like it looks like the S20, but even better. Okay, now, so it feels a bit like an iPhone here with swiping up. Nice, though. So they were just explaining to me how the phone works, and now you have the phone. We have it. You can open the camera right away. I'm really excited about the camera since it has the best camera right now in the market. And like, I mean, I cannot see here, but I'm gonna compare it definitely later in some videos. As you can see, that's a phone. It's really perfect. I really love how it looks, how it feels. This display is really amazing on this phone. It's perfect. And guys, when it comes to downloading apps, you go to App Gallery. So for example, some apps here are not available. For example, let's say if you type in PUBG, as you can see here, you won't find it. So that's why you download an app called More Apps here. And once you get it, you can download anything you don't have. So for example, even PUBG, for example, here you can find it, download it. Everything's, you can like, okay, it's APK, but then you technically have the app. And just once hit on allow this, and it's gonna just download the app. So it now is asking me to update something, not the point, but technically, guys, it's downloading here, APK pure. So guys, that's how you get apps. So you don't have the Play Store, but you can get any app you like. So guys, gonna be comparing it to some of the newest iPhones soon. So stay tuned for that. So guys, that was the unboxing of the P40 Pro. Hope you guys liked it. And I'm gonna be comparing it now to some major iPhones, like the best iPhones out there. So stay tuned for that. Peace out, guys.